check out your car, bro. Check it out. He's on FaceTime. We're about to take a look at his car.
That shit is crazy. That shit is crazy, 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 crazy. If you have a Lambo, this is what you do to a Lambo. Crazy stuff like this right here. That's sick.
All right, folks. Another Aventador fade job right here. As you guys already know, we perfected the fades on cars. We did not invent them, but we did make them a trend. We did make them the right way. And now you see fade wraps all over the world and the same exact configuration colors we've done. Here's another one in white and blue. This one is actually a satin pearl white and a satin baby blue. Fading obviously in the middle, transitioning from the white to the blue. We printed this completely. This is a custom color. We printed on a pearl base, so it has that pearl. A lot of guys don't know that little trick to it, but once you put on that pearl, you get that shimmer. It looks even more incredible. But yeah, that blue is such a perfect blue, and then the satin pearl white has always been perfect. So we stuck with that. And then you're gonna notice the wheels. Obviously the wheels set it off. Some people are gonna hate it, some people are gonna love it. I personally love it. I've done a lot of Aventadors. Obviously there's the clean look, but this is just that I don't care look. It's an old school Diablo look with the wheels, with the circles, one piece. Vossen made these wheels specially for my friend. He brought this car from Atlanta, got it specially done here at RDB, of course. And that fade is perfect. The other Aventador, you guys remember Offset's car of the white to green, was also one of my favorites. Really, really dope color. I don't know which one you guys prefer. Let us know if you guys like Offset's white and green or you like this white and blue. But yeah, there you have it. Another fade job done properly by the experts.
Métela. 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 Ahí. Que no te falle, Marvin. 1, 2. ¿Ya?
Ya.
O sea, ese auto está pesado, homie. Este Urus va a quedar perrona, papá. ¿Quedó bien de ese lado? Sí. ¿Seguro? ¡Ay, esa onda! ¡Ah! ¿Y esto para qué es?
Para que el tunero lo haga.
Chipote chillón. Sea chiquito, sea grande, papá. Los tienen listos allá. They make ready the flares for paint. They're gonna be paint today in the afternoon or tomorrow in the morning. All carbon, viejo.
You're trying to be me, huh?
Hey.
You wanna be trying to be me?
Yeah. I tried, but you come this week.
So on this one, the front bumper and damage, how much you were gonna charge the adjuster?
Let's go for 10.
10,000.
But yeah. But if you...
This is what happened when...
But you kind of like a more
This is what happened when
chanchito.
people try to write an estimate.
No, I don't want to write the estimate. Hey, you come more like a more chanchito. Like a... See?
So hold on.
Hey,
hold on. You were gonna do my job, correct? You were gonna order parts.
Your hair is growing, man.
Hold on.
What the fuck?
So you were gonna order parts, manage the shop.
No.
Oh.
I'm gonna be just in the body shop. Don't worry. I can take your seat. I can take your seat. Your seat is...
It's too heavy. Not everyone can
No,
handle my
the
seat.
seat is not heavy. You're the heavy one. You.
Spray it. Spray it. Bro, spray it. It smells very bad. I'm trying to use the restroom. I can't even go inside.
He's back safe and sound. We got Sarkis back. But apparently he used the restroom and it's pretty bad.
You see the guy how the owner is really exciting, waiting for his baby.
Yeah, man. Enjoy it.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Man. Yep. Don't drive too fast.
So sick, I won't.
Don't drive fast. No. He's gonna wash it at home. He doesn't know about Lambos. He doesn't know about that. All he knows is XXMs.
The only thing he knows about Lambos. Volkswagen,
Porsche, Audi.
It's the same things. Volkswagen.
Yeah. So your car's a Rolls Royce?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. You know that's not where you wear your mask, right?
Yeah, I'm cheating. I'm cheating the system. Did you just bought the car?
He just bought it right now. Yeah. He just bought that car right now.
Off the owner?
Yeah.
Hey, he's gonna come back.
All right, and he'll be right back in 24 hours.
Yeah, that's true. That's for
So
sure.
that's his first drive.
Yeah, he
you
he
imagine-
saw the car and then bought it, and this first.
Can you imagine how excited he was? He didn't want to watch the car.
Remember how it was when you got your car? You didn't come to work for 4 days.
That's true.
Wait, so he literally just bought that?
He just bought it right now, and we just fixed it. He's like, I don't want you to wash it. I don't want you to do anything to it. I'm just gonna take the car home. So he took the car home. All right, guys, here we have a 2018 Audi R8. The customer called us and said, I got into a minor bumper accident, drove up with the car, and here we have a rock in his bumper. We don't know how it happened. We asked him how it happened. He doesn't know. We're gonna try to pull this rock out of this bumper. It might not work, but let's try it out. Yep, there you go.
You can use this one. What is that? You can use it.
There's a glue remover too?
So we're moving the clear bra off the front bumper of this Huracan.
Removing.
Huh?
Removing.
So is it?
Removing.
I did?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start it. Okay, so we are removing the clear bra off this Lamborghini Huracan because we have to redo it. It got damaged. That's what Javier is doing right now. So clear bra's out, but there's a lot of glue underneath. So we're cleaning that, getting it prepared for new clear bra. Oh my God, getting Jesus.
You always remember me.
You're starting to look like me a little bit.
Not yet. It's a long way.
How old are you?
50.
How old are you?
40.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
39 and a half.
This thing looks good. He's 10 years, 12
Okay,
years
thanks.
older.
Why do you always pick on? Where are you guys from? Chicago. All right, so we are just about closed. Actually, we are closed. We have two really cool fans that are from Chicago, came by to buy some merch. I am giving them a really good deal, by the way. So we're only charging them $40. I'm probably gonna get fired tomorrow. We're charging them $40 for a sweater. We gave them a nice little plate cover and a keychain. So, yeah. So I do.
So come in after hours to get half off.
Yeah. No, we can't do that. Yeah, we can't give half off after hours. It's just that
You just did.
they're nice people from Chicago. We're helping them out today. And yeah, that's it. See you guys later.
That worked.
All right, guys. So if you didn't know, we're celebrating the 10-year anniversary that we started RDB. Before that, we had other names. We were doing other things, but RDB LA as a name started about 10 years ago. We also hit 600,000 subscribers a few weeks ago, but I decided to do a little quick RDB shoes sale. 30% off all of the shoes. This is not even all of them. This is just a few of them. If you go on the website, rdbshoes.com, no coupon code or anything. It's just 30% off until June 1st. So you only have a few days left. But yeah, 30% off. These are super, super high quality shoes. Once you get them in hand, you realize how insanely high quality they are. These are literally the baddest low tops ever. Carbon toes, carbon everywhere, all leather. You guys already know. So yeah, we got low tops, high tops, runners, slides. All of it's 30% off only for a few days. So after that goes back to full price, rdbshoes.com.